doing our ARFF Part 139 live burn with our students in our aircraft rescue and firefighting class.
Firefighting is firefighting. Basically, this is a different scenario as opposed to what you commonly think of firefighters doing when they're dealing with a structure.
We also do truck operations with an ARFF vehicle. We kind of coordinate both with truck operations at the same time as the other students are doing the interior tack on with hand lines.
ARFF is a semester-long class. Students go all semester, and this is kind of the culmination of all the skills and activities that they've done in class.
When the students leave here, they could go to a fire department like Watertown has, where we deal with the structure side as well as the ARFF side. They could go to a dedicated ARFF station like they have down in Sioux Falls. When the students complete our program is Pro Board accredited for the firefighting part of our program, and so they would basically be able to take that certification with them wherever they want to go, and it would be recognized virtually anywhere in the country.